गाइस मैं घर पर पहुंच चुकी हूँ और मैं 11:30 बजे पहुंची. I was like shit. I was so
tired. I was like, God, I'm done for the day. Because मैं यहाँ से निकली or something around 1:30. 2 बजे मेरा Uber, Ola, whatever it was, it came around and I reached there at 3:30, quarter to 4. And then luckily my cousin was already there. तो हम दोनों साथ में गए थे, हम दोनों ने शॉपिंग की है और मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा कर लिए बिकॉज मुझे बहुत IKEA जाने का बहुत एक्साइटमेंट थी. और मुझे
16th of November को इन्विटेशन ऑलरेडी आ चुका था बिकॉज मैं ऑलरेडी उनकी मेंबर हूँ ऑनलाइन ऑन द वेबसाइट. So before IKEA was supposed to get launched in Bombay, I have already got a notification that is coming to Bombay and they're on a date. But I was very busy.
Yeah, but after 2 months or you can say after 3 months, I finally visited IKEA.
So let's start what I bought. So I bought the first this because I really wanted this. और मुझे मिनीसो में नहीं मिला और ना ही कहाँ पे. और लैटलिफ में भी गई थी, लैटलिफ में भी ये चीज़ नहीं है और ये IKEA पे है तो मैंने जाके आउटलेट के लिए पिल्लो. अब फोटोज भी देख लेना पिल्लो कैसे दिखता है बिकॉज and I bought this thing. This is a stand, the shelf. I really wanted this. Like ये किधर तो जाने वाले हैं मेरे रूम में. Actually it's going to look very cute and pretty. So this is the another thing. I know the price of this. So this is like 149 का container which me and my cousin brought it. So yes, basically again it will go in my cupboard to keep some things. It's like just an organizer to keep stuff in it. And it is really good to get organizers and you keep arrange your stuff. So this is a wipe. I call it a wiper because yeah, it's a wiper. It's a glass wiper. So I have a mirror now, so I can take a mirror selfies. So ये वहाँ पे यूज होगा. मैंने स्टूल लिया है जो आप अभी फोटो में यहाँ पे देख लोगे. तो स्टूल का ये पिलो है to sit on it. I again bought one more pillow to sit. For this pillow, it's like blue. It's for my chair. Frankly speaking, I sit for 13 hours. You can say more than 13 hours. Or prior half an hour, 1 hour on that particular place. Or my shoulder and my hips are literally gone keys. Like if I walk for half an hour or 1 hour, I start getting cramps. And those are like painful cramps on my leg. ये है light. So ये exactly कुछ 630 या 700 rupees का ये light original price पे. But I got it on the sale for like 299. तो ये जाने वाला है इस wall पे ऊपर. ये है cutter board. So ये आया कुछ 49 rupees में और 49 या 59 rupees में something. I wanted this because then it's really good for myself cutting veggies or whatever I want, or even keeping a chocolates or something. Then I have got this frames. So now you'll think why I've bought this frames. ये भी आपको पता चलेगा बहुत जो mini frames क्यों लाए. But I've bought this 2 pieces of this frame. I love something which is like colorful. You can see this colors behind. That's my like white. I love things which are like colorful. So this is what I bought. This is a Powell. This is like जो pullers रहता है. You can say pullers or you can say क्यों
जो बैठ के रहता है. So it has a one pillow cover and it has this kind of softness.
और ये मैंने ये ले लिया. This is one for my niece और मैंने बाकी के ऑर्डर किए हैं तो other kids in my family because सबको same color would look nice. But then I really wanted one to get to see the quality and looks nice or not. So I've got one. Others I'm going to order from IKEA online. Other color में जो है pink and blue. I bought this container. So ये container is also a bit of expensive. It's not like cheap. It's above 200 or something. और ये कंटेनर है अपना जो कबर्ड का ड्रॉ रहता है उसके अंदर जाएगा ये. It has some things I can keep, like I keep on keeping my stuff here and there, some earrings or something on the other. I can put that here, so that can be safer thing. Then मैंने ऐसी चीजें भी शॉपिंग की है जो मेरी बहन ने की है, कजन ने, और हम लोग पागल थे. Like we literally loved it. It's for kids actually. We bought it from a kids section, but we are so mad that we also end up getting it for ourselves. So what I've done, I bought this plates. Okay, let me tell you, the shades, everything in this shade is only for 99 rupees. So I bought this plates of 5 set. It's a set of 5 the tarts. It's the same color combination. Okay. Set of glasses. Again, those are 5. And the fork and the spoon. So this fork, spoon and knife. It's a set of 5 again. So this all came around 99 each.
1, 2, 3, 4. Like 48.98, we got all these things, and these are like same color. I really liked it. I don't tell you one thing. I am not a lesbo. I do appreciate and love people who support Pride, but I'm not the one who requires this to be as a background. But I love rainbow. It's been my lucky charm, you can say, or something which is like gives me a happiness. So this is the colors which I love, and these are like a happiness.
And another thing I bought is the mug, चाय का mug. ये कुछ 79 का कुछ है, 59 या 79 का कुछ है. It's a new mug for me to drink my tea. And I love this. This is a mixture of the scented candle. It has 2 different fragrances at the moment, which I know. One is green apple. Yes, green apple. I love the fragrance of green apple. It doesn't matter what it is. So yes, so this is a green apple scented candle. So I bought this so many things. I bought one more thing which I told you, there's a stool, so that needs to get fixed. So today is 6th of Feb. I've been to IKEA on 5th of Feb, and we'll see this video. Let's see the date. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You have come till now just to see what I've bought. So please don't forget to hit that like button and comment down below. Till then, bye bye. See ya.